Hey guys, so this is going to be another hair video. This is a quick hair tutorial of this wig. This wig is by RPGSHOW and I'll put the info, the actual description down below. It's a 20-inch 13x6 frontal and it's supposed to be a middle part, but I decided to do a side part. So I'm just going to cut the lace and then just do a quick style for you. So yeah, I'm just going to go straight into it. It does have the drawstring at the back. So basically your wigs can be extra snug. You can wear it as a ponytail if you wanted to. It just gives a lot more of a secure fit to your wigs. Okay, so this is the finished look. I tried to curl it as well as I could to kind of give it some volume. I feel like these wigs will look much more glam, just a little bit fuller in density. Definitely would love them to create their wigs with just a bit more hair, especially on the side, so I can actually create more like a side swoop. So you just have a bit more hair to play with, especially in the front if you have a big forehead and all that good stuff. That's my only thing, but honestly, there's nothing else to say. RPG Show wigs, the quality holds a curl, the lace, everything is just perfect. It melts into the skin really well. I do have a discount code as well for you, so I'll also add that down below. So yeah, that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.